Good morning, guys. Natalie Martinez again. Today's assignment, we are going to go ahead and make bumblebees out of pipe cleaners, and the girls will do step by step as to how to make it. No glue necessary unless you want googly eyes. Then that comes with glue, but that's pretty easy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you later.
So
Bye-bye.
step one, Jax, you're getting the 2 pipe cleaners together,
Yes.
and you're going to go ahead and twist them together, correct?
We already started. Well, my
Awesome.
mom already started for me, and yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it.
And the sizes are the exact same size, just regular size of pipe cleaner?
Yes.
Okay.
And it doesn't have to be equal. It doesn't have to be the same. Just have fun with it. If you get frustrated and you want to start all over again, you don't have to. But if you really want to, then go ahead and start all over again.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Victoria, now explain step 2. Now that you have both the pipe cleaners together, now what are you going to do?
You're gonna take both of the pipe cleaners and then bundle them up on a pencil
Okay.
on top of each other, but kind of going upwards or downwards. Your choice. So it will look like a fat bumblebee.
Yes, my exact words. Awesome. And now what? Are you pulling it off the pencil?
Yes.
Okay.
But you have to have this little hole still.
Awesome, because that's when step 3 is going to take place, correct?
Correct.
Awesome. Jax, so now go over step 3. What do you have to do?
Step 3, you're just gonna have a you're gonna have a parent help you with this part. They're gonna have to cut.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
And so you're
Cut it
just
in
gonna-
half.
Yeah, cut it in half, and you're just gonna make it into a V.
Awesome.
Then you're gonna tighten the bottom just a little bit, and you're gonna stick it through the hole, just like so.
Awesome.
Mine's getting a little bit hard, but we can do it.
No frustration here. Nope. Having fun. Did you get it?
No, not yet. I just have to figure it out. Now, me.
Look at, there's Tori over there.
I'm just gonna stick it like one. And then
Oh, there you go.
Spread it out like that, and then I'm just gonna
Make the little antennas.
make the little antennas like this.
Perfect.
there's
There's
your
your bumblebee. Okay, and then we will go over to Victoria because then she is going to go ahead and put in the little googly eyes. Victoria, show us your bumblebee.
Let me put this last tie on. There's my bumblebee.
There you go. Let me see yours, Jax. You got it?
Mine.
Awesome. Cool. There you have it. Bumblebees out of pipe cleaners, guys. Thank you.